How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we have a new product review, something simple, and I'm going to show you in a minute what we're doing today. We have this clay bar kit from Meguiar's. This is something simple. I already show you guys how to clay bar a car, so I'm not gonna go on detail on that. But this is a great opportunity to try this kit. Purchase this, so this episode is not sponsored. And last time when I used my clay bar, you guys remember I used some products. I used 3M clay bar. I used Grit, Garage, Speed Shine, I believe, and different products from different brands. In this case, this is a good way to clay bar your car because this kit has everything in it. So let me show you what I have in here. In this case, on this kit, link is gonna be in the description. Not really expensive, and it's gonna give you everything that you need. Quick detailer from Meguiar's. It has a microfiber towel, and it has the clay bar. So the clay bar, you're gonna have plenty of clay bar with this one. It has 2 clay bars in there, and the good thing about this one that you have a case. So when you finish, you can just fold it if it's not really bad, put it on the storage, and save it for next time. And it's better, it's more convenient on this one because my last one, it came only on the back, the 3M blue one that I used to use. This is gonna be better because like that, you're gonna protect your clay bar. So this is a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and use it on a Toyota Corolla. This car has a lot of trees up and never been clay bar before. Paint is really rough. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the car, and I'm just gonna do it on the hood for the purpose of the video, just to try the product and see how it works. This is the vehicle that we're gonna use, but I was recording inside my car because it's really windy, so sorry if you catch any wind noise. So I'm gonna start using my waterless car wash. I'm gonna clean the whole hood. Later on I'm gonna do the whole car, but to make it quick and easy, I'm gonna do the hood right now, clean it, and just show you that for the episode. See that right here? And the paint work feels really rough. So one thing that I'm gonna do is use the clay bar kit, and let's see if that clay bar works fine. So this car is gonna be really good for this episode. So guys, if you hear that, this paint job is rough. I saw this car yesterday and it has a lot of tree sap, and the clay bar is gonna remove all that tree sap. All the contamination embedded on the paint is gonna be removed, and we'll have a clean surface. Because my polisher is coming, maybe I'll do paint correction on this car, so it's gonna be good because this paint is really rough. It needs some work, and maybe this is gonna be the car that I'm gonna start working on with my polisher. And by using just a little piece of the clay bar, that's all we need. I don't need that much. I think with this one we can do the whole car, but good thing this one is white, so you're gonna see how dirty this paint is. We're gonna remove all the contaminants, tree sap, and everything that is in the paint is gonna be removed with this little clay bar. A lot of lubrication when you wanna do this process. Yep, this paint is really rough. Make sure that the paint is not hot, you're not in the direct sun, and you have plenty of lubrication. That's gonna be the key to do a really good clay bar job. Oh, I can feel when the clay bar is removing all those contaminants. I can feel it. So this is gonna be really good. And you know, this is the first step when you try to do paint correction. You see this? That's how dirty this car is. And it's removing a lot of contaminants they embedded in the paint. Look at all that. You see that little point right there, that little black dot? Those. So now we can fold the clay bar and use another section. So now I'm gonna use the microfiber towel that it came with the kit. Okay, so I think this side is ready, clean, feels really smooth. And this side, you hear that? Nothing. Okay, so there you have it. This clay bar is really good. No, and the good thing is that on this kit you have everything. You have the microfiber towel, you have the quick detailer, and the clay bar. So now that you saw that, this half is clean. I'm gonna go and do the other half and the rest of the car. And like I said, link is gonna be in the description. You wanna get this clay bar um, because it's better when you have everything combined in one single package. You're gonna have everything for you detailing needs. Okay, guys. So remember, you don't have to use clay bar every time that you wanna clean your car. This is just to remove contamination, and sometimes it's just contamination in some parts. Next time that you gotta do it, just do it as you need it on the parts of the car that they need clay bar. You don't have to do this every time that you're gonna clean your car and polish and do all that. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Like I said, link is gonna be in the description for this set. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.